Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil, part of Bobble Socks TV. My name's Andrew and this is
Julie.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw a
Sugarskull.
If you enjoy our tutorial, please subscribe to our channel. Shall we get started?
Yes.
Let's begin. Okay, so this time we're going to start with a blue pen. Okay. So let's pick a blue pen.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, so to start with the Sugarskull, in the middle, about here, we're going to do the nose, and that is going to be like an upside down heart. So we're going to go like that, and then up like that, and round.
Can I do something different? I would do it like a normal heart, but then turn it around.
Turn the paper around, that's great, that's fine. Okay, and then the eyes, so the eyes are going to be about that far apart, aren't they?
This far?
Yeah, kind of like that, aren't they? So I'm going to do a little circle here, and a little circle there, like that. Yep. Okay, and then from that circle, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
But like a
6.
little flower.
Yeah, because that's actually what we're going to do. Okay. And then here, we're going to do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little lines like that.
Done.
Done? Okay.
With magic.
Magic, okay. So round here, I'm going to do a loop, and then a loop, and then a loop, and a loop, and go all the way around like that.
Done.
Perfect, and we do the same on the other one.
With magic. I didn't have to do anything.
Yeah. Fantastic. Okay.
I didn't have to do anything.
Right, so then around this this flower, I'm going to do a bigger circle.
I think the creation came from Mexico.
That's right, yeah, because they celebrate.
It's like a holiday, and
It's just after
there's
Halloween.
a film called Coco, and it's about Mexico.
Is it?
With Sugarskulls.
So we're going to draw, once we've done that, we're going to do little circles all the way around.
Oh, that's really detailed.
Yeah, so we're going to go around like that.
Done. It's by magic.
Okay, so do the same on the other eye socket.
It's done by magic again.
Awesome.
Like that.
Okay. Right, so inside the nose, that heart shape. You ready? Yeah. You're going to do a curved line like that, and a curved line like that. And then I'm going to do another curved line like that, and another curved line like that.
I love it because it's really detailed and colourful.
That's right. So here we're going to kind of do like a leaf or a teardrop shape, and it's going to start there and curl round. So I'm going like that, and then round like that. And the same on this side. Right, and just under here, I'm going to do a circle, and then there another circle, and there another circle like that. Okay, now we've got to do the cheekbones. So about here, I'm going to do a shape like that, a bit like a question mark that's sort of like on its side.
But without the dot.
Yeah, without the dot. Okay, so here I'm going to do the same like that. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a circle, but it's kind of going to be straight and then a semicircle. So I'm going to go up and round.
That's where your brain goes.
That's where your brain goes, exactly.
But
like
instead, I think we're going to do details up there.
Yeah, we're going to do lots of details up there.
Now it looks a bit like an alien, a bit like Megamind.
Does look a bit like Megamind. So now we've got to do the rest of the face. Okay, so in here we're going to do the teeth. So I'm going to do like a curved line like that, like a smile.
It's really moustache smile because of those.
Yeah, a little bit like it's got a moustache. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do straight lines. So a straight line in the middle. Yeah. This is for the teeth, yeah. And then we're going to do lines either side, like this. And kind of curve them in a little bit. Okay. All right. You done that?
Yeah.
And then the best bit is we're going to now join these up with loops.
Even the bottom?
Not the last bit, so we leave a little, yeah, and do the same on the bottom, that's right.
Like that?
Exactly like that, perfect. Okay, now here, I'm going to do another little circle there, like that. That's where the chin is going to be. And then here I'm going to do 1, 2,
flower?
Yeah, 3, 4, 5 like that. And draw it the same way as we did the flowers where the eyes are. Okay?
I'm already got the second bit.
You got it?
Yeah, done.
Oh, you've done it already? Okay. So I need to catch up with you.
Oopsie, I didn't.
No. Your flower looks absolutely fine. And if you see with Sugarskulls, every single Sugarskull is different because they're all hand painted. Now from here, we're going to do a curvy line that way. And then on this side, we're going to do a curvy line that way. Okay, and then we're going to loop the curve back that way. And loop a curve back that way. And then I'm going to do a curve like that. And a curve like that. Okay, and here we're going to go round and back. And round and then back. Like that, okay?
It's done by magic.
As if by magic, yeah. Now see where the jawbone is, the cheekbone? We're going to loop round in a circle to make the jawbone. So we're going to go down and then round and then back like that. Okay, and do the same on this side, so down and round and then back like that. Okay, and then here we're going to go down and then slightly out a little bit like that. Okay, here you can go down and flick it out slightly out a little bit. Remember, this is the chin, so we're going to do a curve till we get to where the flower is. And then I'm going to do a curve that joins back up to there. And this looks a little bit plain, so I'm going to decorate this a little bit by putting some circles here and here.
Can I do something else?
Yeah, you can do something else. And then put some other circles in here and here. I thought I might do like a curvy line. Okay. Yeah, that looks fantastic. Okay, now on the sides of the skull, I'm going to do a curve that way and a curve that way. And these are going to be like leaves growing, so I'm going to do another curve that way and that way. And then I'm going to do a curve like that and a curve like that. Okay? Right. So, this is going to be the tricky bit in the middle. Do you remember the roses?
Oh.
We're going to draw a rose in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to do a straight line here like that. And then a curl round like that.
This is exactly like the rose.
Exactly like the rose. And then we do a curve that way.
Okay.
And remember the butterfly, 1, 2, 3 that way. And 1, 2, 3 that way.
It's like we're going back into the future.
Yeah, it's like we've gone back into the past, but now we're doing something different. So down and then curl round like that. And round and curl like that. Okay, and then when we come here, we're going to do a curve with a little spike and then loop back like that. And we're going to do the same this way. And do the same that way. And we do one at the top. So we go around like that, and around like that. And then like this. You got that?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. So we're pretty much nearly done. What we need to do now is we've done the blue so that then we can colour it any bright colour that we like. Yes, so now we're going to do the black, okay? So, okay, what we'll do is we'll do inside the nose. We'll go around that in black, so that should help the nose stand out. Okay, and inside the eye sockets, we'll do that bit black. Okay, see this little gap here?
Where?
Under the cheekbones.
Oh, yeah.
We'll do that in black. An important thing we're going to need to do is the between the teeth. So, because everyone's got a little bit of a gap where the two teeth meet, so we'll do that bit black.
Me.
Yeah. Oh, you've got great ones, haven't you? Okay, and then should we do a black outline around it? Okay, and then we'll be ready to colour it in. Wow, Yuli, that is an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and if you did, subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids. We're still running a competition where you can win this amazing book on how to draw animals. Realistically, all you got to do is send in your pictures to our Facebook page, and the winner will win this fantastic prize. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.